Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the watch has enough power and the paired phone is nearby. This avoids interruptions and sync conflicts. From the watch face, open the home screen and find the settings gear icon. Tap it to enter preferences. Once you're in settings, look for system, general, or time options. Different brands label them differently, so scan quickly. Make sure you're not in a companion phone app yet, because the on-watch settings control the device time directly and prevent accidental phone overrides. Once inside date and time, locate the automatic toggle and disable it so you can change values manually. This lets you set a specific time zone or adjust for travel. Next, pick time or set time. Use the digital wheels, arrows, or +/- controls to change hours and minutes precisely, and confirm AM/PM if required. If a time zone field exists, select it after adjusting the clock, so the watch stores both local time and the correct zone for future automatic syncing. You finish by tapping Save or Confirm, and then wait for the watch to acknowledge the change. This ensures settings are written to memory. After that, return to the watch face and inspect the time in the clock and any active notifications to verify consistency. If the time still shows incorrectly, reboot the watch, repair the phone, or temporarily enable automatic time sync so it pulls the correct network time. These steps resolve most mismatches caused by cached settings or pairing conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.